just waiting for the flight and gonna update you kapag nasa Bohol na kami. Bye-bye! Hi guys! So we are currently here at Mabuhay Lounge while waiting for our flight. So I'm gonna update you all later pag nasa Bohol na kami. So I'm so excited because this is the first ever family travel. Yeah. Gonna update you all. Hi guys! So we're here sa Bohol. Panglao. So, kakadating lang namin. Time check. What time is it, ate?
10:24
It's 10:24.
in the morning.
There's mom, my sister, and my dad. So, ngayon ay hintayin namin yung car. And then, yes, pupunta na kami sa pag-stayan.
Ano, luggage?
Ooh. We'll get back to you. Bye. 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 Hi guys, so we're here na sa car. So pupunta na kami sa Casa Marga Resort. Then I'll update you there. Kasi after namin ilagay mga gamit doon, kakain na kami ng lunch. Kasi, ate na oras na te?
10:40.
10:40 na. So, we'll update you guys. Bye! Hi guys! So, we're here na sa Casa Marga Resort. And look at this. It's giving like a Bali style. So, later, may pupuntahan kami. I think it's Alona Beach. And, I don't know. So, samahan niyo lang kami, the family ko later. So, review check pa ako right now. Bye! Hi guys! So, we're here sa Bohol Bee Farm and kakain muna kami. And napakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung Bohol Bee Farm. Right, Mom? Wow, so kain muna kami guys. Let's see if ano ang foods here. There's so many vlogs. Wow. You know guys, I love this kind of vibe. Look. Wow. Wow. Tignan nyo to guys. They're creating this one. It's so good. And look at this daanan. Guys, be careful sa stairs, okay? Daddy, be careful. Be careful sa stairs. Be careful po sa stairs. Oh. So guys, if you love nature talaga, I mean, if you're a nature lover, you must go here sa Bohol Bee Farm kasi, yeah, very nature vibe. Ganda pa ng, wow, look at the view! Right, Dad?
No.
Kitang-kita niyo yung dagat.
Sarap maligo.
So, kakain muna kami. Kasi, time check, nasa 3:40 something na ata and hindi pa kami nakain after namin dumating. And look at that. Look at the view. Okay, so medyo nahiya ako kasi nakatingin sa You know, yung mga tao dito, they're so bait. I'm shy, they're looking. Hi guys, so we're here sa Alona. Pero naulan siya, look. So, paano? Ang lakas ng ulan. So, magbi-beach kami pero ang lakas ng ulan. Although, tubig din naman yung dagat, pero nakakatakot ako. So maybe hindi kami makapag-beach. Maybe tomorrow or isang beach na lang yung pupunta namin, which is the last day. So we'll update.